guys, how's it going? John here. So today we've got a little bit of unboxing to do, some new gadgets to help build the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. To do this, we're going to be using my daily carry CKRT M16. It's a tan, it's got a nice handle on it, it's got a serrated blade, as well as, you know, it goes with me everywhere. Nice little belt clip. The only thing that took me a while to get used to is it's got the double handles up here where you can usually use a thumb or what have you. It's also got this quick release where you gotta push it in. I don't know if you guys can see that. Push it in and then fold it. So other than that, quick and easy to open. So we'll be using that. As always, I've got my Yeti. Yeti is a good cup. My buddies who have the coolers, you know, 5 days out there in the wild, Yeti cup stays cold. First time I used it, I burned the heck out of myself with coffee. Warning, if you get coffee, leave the lid off, let it settle for a little while before you go and you actually drink out of the cup. Now the next thing I'll talk to you guys about is ice. So right now I got a little bit of ice in there. Ice will keep most of the day. It's actually lasted overnight, honestly. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open our first box. Bam! Amazon, delivered, awesome. So with that being said, what could be in here? Oh my goodness, lithium ion batteries. Okay, so let's crank her open. What could be in here? What could be in here to help grow the channel? Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie. So inside the box here, we have two more of what I'm filming this with, the GoPro Hero 5. If you get to Amazon, and if this video comes up, I got these for a super special deal. I paid almost over $200 for the current one that you see in front of you. These come in the box, exact same thing. So let's open these things up. Little pull tab here. Man, it's just like Christmas. All right. So inside the box, what do we have? We have the GoPro Hero 5 Black. Opportune time, the disc died. I've been filming a lot of short videos over the last few days, so we opened this up. Important to note, don't cut through your slot, your micro SD adapter. They do have a little open tab back here, so you can peel that open and you can take out the memory card. The memory card goes inside the computer. So I will actually show you with this GoPro how to power it up and everything else. I'm going to go get a live battery. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to load up the GoPro and get started. So one thing to know is you always want to make sure you got a fully charged battery. This one's brand new, we're not going to mess with it, we're going to put that one on the charger. A great investment that you should look at is making sure you get one of these little portable 2-pack chargers. They're about 50 bucks, then you got to buy the batteries. So we're going to take and we're going to load up the camera and we're going to walk you through basic setup of the camera. It's real easy. So you just, in order to pull it out, you take the latch off the top, you pull the battery out, slide the camera through. On the bottom side, okay, of the GoPro, this opens up spring loaded. So it does not come with the battery comes in the box, but it does not come with a memory card. So you do have to have a memory card. Now they recommend using a SanDisk. I've always used these 64 gig SanDisks. This one is ultra. It does full HD video quality, and with the GoPro it will go up to 4K. So in order to open this up, we simply just take, slice, and dice, pull out the plastic part, and then it'll say open right here, and we just lift that up. See if we can do it on camera. So once again, we just take and we carefully lift it open. Sometimes that doesn't work, and so we got our knife. So we're not going to cut the disc, we're going to cut around the disc. So open that up, pull out your disc. Alright, now the card will only go in there one way. As you can see, this is a 64 gig. Alright, so all we do now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our memory card. So that just slides in, labeled towards the battery. That's the easiest way to remember it. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to look at your pins down inside there. and then you're going to take your battery and you're going to gently slide it into place. Alright, once you get it slid into place, you're going to hold your latch closed. You should see the little lights blink and everything else. Alright, now you're in business. So I'm going to take a picture and record me recording you. So there are some setups that you've got to do. So with that being said, the camera here, it's pretty good. It's, 4K quality, 30 frames per second with a wide lens. You're not going to get much better than that unless you step up to a Hero 6, 7, 8, or what have you. The Hero 5 is good enough for me as we get this thing started. As you can see, it beeps a lot, and that's all there is to it, guys. GoPro is pretty quick and easy to adapt. You can also take and pair it with the GoPro app to your cell phone. So, as you can see, there's my cell phone. Alright, so one camera down, one to go, so we're going to make sure the other one works too. And we're just going to open the box. Alright, slow and smooth as fast. Alright, we do have another GoPro in here. So we're going to pop out the GoPro. These things are tough, guys. You can drop these and everything else. You shouldn't have to drop them more than actually necessary. Again, we're going to check the box. We've got 2 clips, which will probably go on my tractor somewhere, or a truck, and another battery. So those 2 batteries will go on the charger. Now, I've got a fully charged battery here. I already put my new disc in that one, but we'll go ahead and power it up. It will probably tell me, hey, there's no memory card, or what have you. Biggest thing is we just want to go through and set up the camera. Once we do all of our shooting and everything else, we will take and, pair up the cameras, and we will be able to sync. Hopefully we can get you some more angles, that way I'm not bouncing around between the cell phones. So that gives me a potential of up to 4 camera angles at any given time between the cell phone and the 3 GoPros I now have. So once again, these are on sale for $149.99 on Amazon. The price fluctuates up and down sometimes, but it's a great investment. If you're looking for a cheap, rugged camera, you can't go wrong with a GoPro, especially if you're just getting started filming. And like I said, I've taken these things snorkeling and everything else. So, great cameras. And we're actually going to take my other memory card, and hopefully it doesn't try to format it. If this brand new camera formats my memory card, I'm going to be highly upset. So, it goes in the slot, labeled towards the battery, and you just carefully push it in, push down, close the door, it should blink, and then we're going to close the GoPro. And so ideally, if I get to name these, I'll have, camera 1, camera 2, camera 3. We already got John's GoPro, so it'll say John's Hero Black. Okay, it came on. I see a screen. That's a good thing. Alright, now it's going to go through and make me do the same thing again so I can synchronize the camera. Alright, we're going to go with English. They are touchscreen. Alright, you're going to agree to the terms and conditions. We're going to set the date. So there's that. Come up to, and then the year, 2020. Alright, then we're going to set our time. We're going to go up to 24 hours. Alright, that'll make it easy. And right now, we got the time set. Okay. Once you get it close, and then I usually push it toward 1 minute. Alright. GPS off. So now you can turn the GPS on, and what that does is it helps you locate your camera. It's going to go through all these advanced settings, video stabilization and everything else, yada yada yada. Look at your media, and we're going to exit. So we're all done setting it up. So with that being said, again, our default is going to be 4K resolution, 30 frames per second, and in order to do that, video stabilization temporarily disabled, so it will shake some. I can film the 1080p. I don't know what you guys prefer. I know nobody out there probably has an 8K that's going to be watching video about a tractor. 1080p is perfectly fine for a laptop. However, I'd like to shoot good quality, so I'm going to try to do some 4K videos for you guys once I figure out how to get everything properly loaded up to YouTube. And with that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to go set up my computer and I'm going to start cutting some videos. Thanks for watching. You guys get to see me live my dream, and I appreciate you guys who have liked, and especially you guys that have subscribed. I'm up to 4 subscribers, man. 2 videos, 4 subscribers. To me, that is a huge success. I'm not planning to go viral talking about tractors or anything. If I get to 1,000 subscribers, that would be absolutely awesome. I'd have to do some type of giveaway, just like these other guys. But also, if I hit 1,000, then I'll be buying some more cool guy gear. Everything else is out of my pocket, and I appreciate you coming along for the ride with me. Once again, you guys get to see me living my dream, but really the purpose of the channel is to motivate you guys to go out and start building your dreams. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe. More important, subscribe. That way you get the latest notifications if you ring the bell. Thanks.